Hey guys, it's Lo here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to customize your Discord, like how the interface looks, and this won't get you banned. Just as long as you guys don't download like the unofficial ones. If you guys download the unofficial ones, then you guys do have a chance of getting banned. But in order to install the official ones, just join this server over here. Bear Discord 2, not the Bear Discord 1, because Bear Discord 2 is the official one. So let's go ahead and get started. So in the link in the description, I'll add a something saying download for bandage or bandage, something like that, and then it's gonna say be careful. This site may be harmful. It is not. So go ahead and just click go to site. It's gonna download something over here. You have an option to put it on your desktop, which I do recommend. Sorry about that. Go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click agree. Go ahead and click install. Go ahead and say install stable install. Oh wait, no, sorry, not these two. Just install the stable. After that, go ahead and click install. So it's gonna be starting up Discord. And actually, let me go ahead and turn off my skin, just so you guys are not lost. Whoops, sorry. So there we are. So yeah, so after you guys have installed it, go ahead and click exit. And I would recommend keeping this just in case if it does break, you guys can repair it, or if you guys don't like it and don't feel safe with it, you guys can also uninstall it. So actually, I'm gonna fast forward the video just so I can do this again. Starting from Google Chrome. So yes, you guys already downloaded it. Go and click on it, click install the stable, and then install. Do not worry about the other two. And then it's gonna go ahead and start it. Absorbing contents. I don't know why I said that. And then when you guys go ahead and click here on settings after it's done loading, it's still probably loading. Yeah, emote successful. After it's done loading, you guys will see here bandage. I don't know. BD. Core, bandages, emotes, and custom CSS. So if you're a person who does this, then you can go ahead and do it. But if you are a person that's already who doesn't want to do that, then join the Discord over here. Alright then, guys, I am back. I'm so sorry about that. So yes, what were we? So we were just got done installing this, and I'll leave a link in the description to join a certain Discord server. This server is the official server for themes and skins like that. Oh, whoops, not music. For themes and things like that. So yeah, there's also support if you guys have any support for it. And so here we are. So official theme list. I do not have permission because I just don't have permission. So over here, you guys can install. See, it makes Discord light theme like a real light theme with a couple of minor changes. Light theme is needed to work properly. I do use light theme sometimes, but apparently I'm not allowed to use it. So you guys can this is also the one I use. If I go over here, settings, themes, turn this one on. So if you guys like this one, this is the one I usually have. It's over here, I believe. Where is it? Did I miss it? Yes, I did miss it. There's the fourth. Right here. An almost black theme with sharp edges and glowy stuff. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. But if you guys want other things, there's so many of these with little stars. If you want something boring, like a flat, clean, and dark theme with purple accents, something like that. Discord dark theme, inspired by Discord. Whatever seems cool to you guys. There is a not another not another anime theme. There is some anime themes, so if you guys like, here we go. If you guys like anime, then go for it. Let's see here. I'll go with you guys. So I don't know. I'm trying to find. Not here. I'll go with one of the anime themes because I'm bored. And I don't know. Actually, here we'll go with light theme because I really want to see what this light theme is. So when you do install it, it's gonna be here in the bottom left. Let's go and minimize this. And like again on the Google Chrome, put this over here on your desktop. There we are. And so when we go down over here, themes, go ahead and open theme folder. And here we are, it's open. Go ahead and just drop this guy down here. And on your Discord, there it is right here. Go ahead and open it, and it's gonna say it's been applied. And and it says I have put on light, and so far I don't see any difference. Oh, okay, never mind. I don't really get it though. I don't get it. So what happens if I turn it off? So is it? Oh yeah, okay, I see. I mean, I guess that's alright, cool. But I like these type of themes where it changes the whole entire thing, and I have my whole entire thing set to, where is it? Shoot, I really actually can't even find it. Sorry, I don't really use Discord as much as I used to. Appearance, I'm dumb. Should have just looked there. Boom, dark. See, yes. Let's try another one. So here we are. No, that's not the one. I want to see. Oh, here we go. Let's try this one. So this little download. Go ahead and click download. It's gonna have you in the bottom left. Go ahead and click settings. User settings. My mistake. Themes. Open theme folder. And after that, you're gonna have a theme folder over here. Just exit one of them. Over here in the bottom left, put this over here, put it in your folder, then go back to Discord. I'm gonna turn this one off, and I want to see how this one looks. Okay, so that's what he meant by flat. Everything is it's more compact. I mean, it looks kind of cool. There's no borders. I guess that's alright, but this one's actually seems pretty cool. But I see what it means by flat and clean dark theme with purple accents. Sorry, my friend kind of scared me. Give me a second, alright. There we go. Sorry about that. My friend needed something. So let's try another one. Here, let's actually install a anime one. So let's do quad because that sounds cool for some reason. I don't know what this one is, but it apparently has to do something with anime. So don't know if you guys like that. If you guys do, then congrats. If you guys don't, then congrats. I don't really care what you like. I mean, I do, but not like those type of stuff. Not another anime theme. Discord. And then not another anime theme. Let's add it. And look at that. Actually, that seems pretty cool. That's really cool, actually. This one I could actually see myself enjoying. It's very, very compact over here, and it's actually even changing colors a little bit. Let's go to the better. Oh wow, that's very nice actually. I'm gonna stick with this one because if there's a different background, I would go with it because I would go with a Rainbow Six Siege background. But you know what? So far so good. But there's also this is what it means by quad column, I guess. I'll go with well, I mean, it seems a little bit, I don't know, a little bit too much here in this area. But you know what? It seems pretty cool. And I guess that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you guys have any questions at all, I'll be more than glad to help you guys. If you guys have trouble installing it, if you guys have trouble with the open theme folder, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than glad to help you guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, and this is how you customize your Discord, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.